Evian Walters, aka Kingdom the Mean Kid. That's my okay, and you're probably wondering what we are making with all this beautiful ingredients right here, my type of ingredients. We're going to be making black bean vegan brownies. So, let's review the ingredients. We have black beans right here. We have some cocoa powder, baking powder, and Himalayan salt, sugar, water, and oil together, chocolate chips, and peanut butter drizzle for after we can drizzle that can be for the peanut butter. And we're gonna have our oven 350 degrees. So remember that 350. Just put them in, and yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get our black beans right here. Put it in the blender. Right, kind of stinks, but that's all right. Okay, we're gonna put our cocoa and Himalayan salt and our baking powder. Here we go. Should I put all that in camera? Okay. Camera girl, actually. Camera. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna plug it in. Always do it not like that. Okay. So I'm gonna get my little cord over here.
You're gonna look at.
And then we are back, and yeah, we're gonna put our brownie mixture in here. So we have it right here, and I'm not the best at this, but I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna just kind of go around like that. That's probably good. Okay. Then we can put our chocolate chips. Everybody, I'm going to put my brownie mix there for chocolate chips, peanut butter. I made it. We're going to put it in the preheated oven for 350 for about 25 minutes, I think.
Hi, you ready? It's time to make it
Here, and like we did the video, we are back with the brownie from the oven. And I'm going to steam them and pipe. Well, here we go, guys. No, that I can actually. Well, why don't I actually just? How about I can actually have that one to go. Should I? I should. And thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys want to contact me, just at Kingdom the Mean Kid, everything, Instagram, Facebook. That's my handle. Thank you for watching.